bounds.
Hey guys, Tech Master here. Today we're going to camp out in the backyard of my grandpa's lawn. And sorry, I'm trying to get away from noise, and it's just everywhere. But yep, we're gonna camp. I got my friends coming over to stay a night in the tent with me, and we're gonna have a great time tonight. But first, I gotta mow the lawn, and then we'll come back, I guess. But yeah, I gotta mow the back lawn. I just did the front lawn a couple days ago, so now I gotta do the back. And then we're gonna go to my grandpa's, and then I have to mow his lawn. Then we'll be able to you know, camp. Alright guys, I'll see you in a bit. Hey guys, I hope you like that transition I just did. It's a feature on my camera, actually. I'm not going to use it a lot because then I can't tell which file it is. But I got to the shop probably 2 hours ago, or an hour and 30 minutes ago. And we went to the dollar store. We got everything we needed, such as fireworks, marshmallows, crackers, and, you know, just some more stuff. We got ice cooler, you know, our drinks and some food. I mowed the lawn. That's the why I've been here so long. And actually, I'm texting Lindsay, see if she can get ready to go. So I'm telling her to leave her iPad because none of us are going to use our phones besides calling our parents. So we might as well. She might as well leave hers here. And she said I am. So okay. All right. So I'm just waiting for. Oh yeah, I got my pillows and my blanket. I got my emoji pillows. Got some chips. So we're all set. They're bringing the tent. Trey, my best friend. That's the only way I can put it because he's like basically my best friend. But yeah, here's the car with all 4 wheels on it, all new wheels. It still shakes, so my dad is he's going to switch them back to the black ones. I think the black ones looked a little bit better, but these look good too. You know, it's hard, it really is. But I think the car all blacked out was cool. So yeah, we're gonna keep it all blacked out. Those wheels are gonna go on my mom's car, which is also cool. Hopefully they don't shake on my mom's car. Are they here yet? They said they'd be here at 4. It's almost 4:20. It's my 4-wheeler. But yes, I should probably get my 4-wheeler booted. But yeah. Yeah. So I'm gonna actually get I'm gonna get myself a drink, and when I do that, I'm gonna replace it with a new one. I didn't bring my GoPro. This is the only camera I brought. So get myself a cold one and replace that one with a warm one, and then bam. It's not that cold, but it'll work. Good. So yeah, I'll see you guys in a little bit. And when they get here, actually, I'll start the recording. But here's the black screen slide away. I don't even know what to call it, honestly, but here it is. Okay, guys. I just picked up Lindsay, and she couldn't leave her iPad.
No, I don't have it.
Shut up. Okay. Now we're just waiting for them because they were supposed to be here at 4 and it's almost 5:30. Wait, what time is it? It's 5:49. It's almost 6 o'clock. They're supposed to be here 2 hours ago. 2 or 3. I don't know. I don't know math. I'm standing on a trailer. I brought my emoji pillows. like so. Is that your dad?
Probably. Looks like it.
It did.
He's spying.
We ain't doing much. See you guys in a bit. Okay, guys. Trey's here. With no tent. Just air mattress. You're retarded. How could you forget the tent?
She told me everything was in there.
Lindsay's here too. We already went over that though. Now we're just sitting here. Bored. Because Trey forgot the tent.
She told me everything was in there.
At least we can blow these up, right?
One.
One! We can blow one up because we forgot the plugs for the other one. You're such an idiot. So yep, that's what's going on right now. Yo guys, that's the white screen, and I just got, or we just woke up from, here's our tent. I'll show you guys the whole setup as soon as I get out of here. I'm kind of, just woke up. So, I'm gonna go change into good clothes because these are dirty, and yeah. Can you take the cooler out? If you can lift it. Kirsten's a wimp, she couldn't lift it, so. See you guys in a bit. Hey guys, we got the fire going, or traded, and we're about to cook some hot dogs. Here, I'll let you open it. Dude, your hands are dirty again.
No, they're not. They're not black as black. They're not as black.
Jeez, woman. Here's our tent set up, by the way.
Wait, you should have warned me. I want to hit Chuck.
And then we got our trailer over there with food and stuff. So, and our mini fire with that big trash pile next to it.
Where are you putting these videos to?
YouTube, my channel.
No!
Yeah.
You can't put YouTube crap of me on YouTube.
Why not?
Because I refuse it.
Do you want me to blur out your face?
No, yes. Please.
I will.
Thank you. Very much so. And what my voice?
I can't do that.
Why? Just make it sound like the people. Like, you
Okay.
know, no, they sound like Charlie Brown. But all the parents, blah, blah,
Okay,
blah.
look.
Do that. Blah, blah, blah,
You cooking me a
blah,
weenie?
blah, blah, blah.
Sure, buddy.
Get away from me, you lunatic.
Jesus. Alright guys, see you
My
in a bit.
hair's such a mess.
Peace. Hey guys, it's the next morning, and it's time to clean up day. Lindsay,
Hi.
tell me if you guys like the transitions. I think they're too long. I can't smooth them out, but they're pretty cool. It just takes forever to get to my clip. Alright. Trey taking them for a ride.